here with the Focus Real Estate team, and I have the pleasure of sitting with JJ Mazzo from Summit Funding, and today we're going to be talking about the difference between pre-qualification versus being pre-approved. Can you explain that for us, JJ?
Yeah, thanks so much for having me. Very important. The biggest difference between a pre-qualification and a pre-approval is on a pre-qualification, we're going to take an application, and yes, we're going to run credit, but we're going to take the income and the assets as a verbal. We don't necessarily yet have all the hard concrete evidence and documentation, as well as it's not going to be reviewed by an underwriter. A pre-approval, however, we have all of the documentation we need to give the seller the peace of mind they need, and we'll also make sure that it's been reviewed by an underwriter so that we can actually stamp that pre-approval on it and they can shop with confidence.
Now that is there's a huge difference between pre-approval and pre-qualification in the eyes of a seller, correct?
Yeah, you tell me, how much leverage does a pre-qualification or a pre-approval over a pre-qualification give you as far as being a realtor?
Yeah, that's a great question. When a seller is reviewing an offer, a client that is pre-approved has a much higher standing in the eyes of the seller. They've already been underwritten, all their tax returns have been reviewed, and all we need to do is find the property to attach to that loan approval. So oftentimes I'm finding that we are winning out on our bids because we have a pre-approval letter versus a pre-qualification letter, and your team has really helped to increase the amount of properties that my clients are able to win. So can you tell us a little bit about your quick close and the guarantee that we can help our buyers with to help them win their properties that they love?
So we have a 10-day close guarantee, and we offer the guarantee is $100 per day that we're late to the seller. It's to just give them the peace of mind that should we not be able to perform, that we have skin in the game. And I think there's so many lenders out there that don't do that. And it's 10 total calendar days, not business days. How do we do that? It really just has to do with having great people, all of my docs, processing, funding, and underwriting underneath our own roof and having control over that for 95% of our products. But the sellers want their money and they want it fast, so we want to be able to give your buyers the leverage to give them what they're asking for.
It's been a huge deal for our buyers being able to partner with JJ and his team to help them qualify and win the properties that they want and have that guarantee, which you don't find out there in this industry. So we are so pleased to be partnered with you.
Thank you.
And if you have any questions, I'm Wendy Raffini with the Focus Real Estate team, and on the lending side, JJ Mazzo here at Summit Funding. Thank you so much.